using in this problem, we're going to be using an associative property of multiplication to solve a problem, and we're also going to be using the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So for the associative property, we're going to be, in this problem, using it with multiplication. And one thing to know about the associative property of multiplication is that it deals with grouping. So what's happening here is that the grouping will change, or the group will change. So for example, if we have A times parentheses B times C, if we're going to be using the associative property of multiplication, it's going to change to parentheses A times B, close parentheses, times C. So one thing to notice with this is that the numbers, or in this case the letters, will not change. The only thing that will change is the grouping, or the parentheses in this case. So a problem that we can do with that would be something like 5 times parentheses 3 times 7. And then if we're going to use the associative property of multiplication, we can change that to 5 times 3 times 7. And so we made this a little bit more easier on ourselves because we know 5 times 3, and that's 15. And so we bring down the rest of this to times 7. And after we do the math, we will get 105. And so to really check our work, we can just do this problem here. And so 3 times 7 is 21. And then we have to bring down that 5. So 21 times 5 is 105 as well. So we did get the same answer using this property. So the next one we're going to be using will be the distributive property of multiplication, but we're going to be using it over addition. So also a multiplication problem. And with this one, if we were going to do it, we would do something like A times parentheses B plus C, because it's the distributive property multiplication over addition. And then if we were to use that property, that would be changed to AB plus AC. So what's happening here is this A is being distributed to everything inside the parentheses. So it'll be distributed to the B as well as the C. So that's where we get the AB and the AC from. So a problem we can do for this one would be 5 times 7 plus 9. So something we can do here would be, and that would change here to 5 times 7 plus 5 plus 9. And so this is 35, 5 times 7, plus 9 times 5 is 45. And 35 plus 45 is 80. And that's our solution for the second one. Now in order to check our work for that, we can go back to this problem here. And 9 plus 7 is 16. And then 16 times 5, carry the 3, is also 80.